select the polygon tool and create your shape. Go to Effect, Distort and Transform, Pucker and Bloat. I lower the amount to around -50%. You can move this point on the side to adjust the amount of sides. This changes the amount of spikes. For the second shape, we use the ellipse tool to create a circle. Go to Effect, Distort and Transform, Zigzag. Adjust the size and the amount of ridges per segment to your liking. If you want, you can also make the shape oval. For the third shape, we also create a circle. Go to Effect, Distort and Transform, Zigzag. I increase the size to 20 and keep the amount of ridges at 4. Go to Effect, Distort and Transform, Pucker and Bloat. Lower the amount to your liking. And that's how you create these shapes.